David Sinclair, Diet and Key Principles for Longevity. Professor David Sinclair is the co-director of the Paul F. Glenn Center for Biology of Aging Research at Harvard Medical School. He is a professor in the Department of Genetics and a co-founder of several biotechnology companies. He has earned a reputation as an expert in the field of aging, longevity, and is a leading voice in reverse aging. He is the founder and editor of the journal, Aging. What is the best way to reverse aging? According to David Sinclair. According to Sinclair, the best way to reverse aging is to make healthy lifestyle changes. Exercising, a balanced diet, mindful life, and moderate supplementation are important factors for slow aging. Dr. David Sinclair's core principles for aging and longevity include diet, exercise, and fasting. Dr. Sinclair endorses exercise and cold therapy as a modality to treat many conditions and extend life. Dr. David Sinclair's core principles for aging and longevity include diet, exercise, and fasting. Although Dr. Sinclair does not endorse specific supplements, he does have a suggested list of supplements that benefit longevity. Dr. Sinclair has several main anti-aging principles for longevity. These include healthy foods, intermittent fasting, regular exercise, meditation, and cold therapy. Dr. Sinclair follows these principles, and, in addition, he avoids excessive sun exposure, X-rays, microwaved plastics, and smoking. Let's look at some of his core components for longevity in detail. The David Sinclair diet. Dr. David Sinclair's diet is plant-based, with a very low intake of sugar, pasta, and other refined starches. He drinks lots of water while eating probiotic-rich yogurt throughout the day. His advice: try different diets until you find one that works best for your body type. Mediterranean food has been known to help weight loss when looking into healthier lifestyles. Low-protein diets can be great, too, if done properly. It's not just how much protein we eat that is important, but also its source. A great question to ask is, where does my protein come from? The SERT diet is a relatively new eating approach based on the belief that certain foods can help activate sirtuins in the body. These sirtuins are thought to have several health benefits, including improved metabolism, better cellular health, and even longer life. Dr. Sinclair believes that high animal protein diets, carnivores, can accelerate aging by inducing inflammation. David Sinclair about intermittent fasting. Dr. Sinclair is a huge proponent of intermittent fasting and eating lower amounts of calories daily. Dr. David Sinclair uses intermittent fasting in his daily practice. He suggests, and eats, 2 meals per day. He currently uses a 16/8 intermittent fasting schedule, which means that he fasts for 16 hours a day and has an 8-hour window where he will eat. Although he doesn't specify the number of calories he takes daily, he suggests keeping them as low as 1000 kcal per day. One of the key ways in which intermittent fasting may promote good health is by activating a process known as autophagy. Autophagy is the body's mechanism for recycling old or damaged cells, and it has been linked with many health benefits, including increased lifespan and protection against diseases like cancer. This is what Dr. Sinclair eats while not intermittent fasting. A plant-based diet, skips breakfast, takes a small amount of olive oil or yogurt with supplements, drinks a lot of water, consumes very low sugar and starchy foods. The importance of exercise. Dr. Sinclair endorses exercise and cold therapy as a modality to treat many conditions and extend life. He believes we should exercise more frequently and with greater intensity to see the benefits of improved health and longevity. Sinclair's research has shown that exercise can help slow the aging process by improving the function of our cells. Exercise is really important for keeping our cells healthy. Exercise is really important for keeping our cells healthy. It helps to clear out the cellular garbage and keeps our cells functioning optimally. David Sinclair. He recommends at least 30 minutes of moderate exercise daily and says the benefits are cumulative. Even if you can't do 30 minutes all at once, you'll still see benefits from doing short stints of exercise throughout the day. Some of his recommendations include high-intensity interval training, HIIT, running and walking, using your body weight to measure biological age, push-up and sitting rise test SRT, aim to raise both heart and respiratory rate. You should be sweating during your workout and unable to speak more than a few words. Best Supplements for Longevity by David Sinclair. While Dr. David Sinclair does not endorse specific brands of vitamins or supplements, They are an important part of his research. Here are some of the supplements that David Sinclair recommends and takes. Vitamin D3. Vitamin D is essential for many processes in the body, including bone health and immunity. Vitamin D deficiency is one of the widespread fatigue, hair loss, sleep disturbances, and bone pain are a sign you need vitamin D supplementation. Omega-3 fatty acid. Omega-3 fatty acids are important for heart health and cognitive function. Supplementing with omega-3 may eliminate the signs of aging by balancing skin hydration and reducing inflammation. However, no more than 3 grams of omega-3 should be taken daily to avoid low blood pressure, diarrhea, and other side effects. Resveratrol. Resveratrol is a polyphenolic compound that occurs naturally in the skin of red grapes, peanuts, and some other plants. It has been shown to have several health benefits, including anti-aging effects. Dr. Sinclair cites studies proving that resveratrol activates sirtuins, leading to faster DNA repair, weight management, and lower inflammation. He also takes the resveratrol supplement with his daily NMN every morning with yogurt. Probiotics. Probiotics are live bacteria that are good for your gut health. These friendly bacteria balance the presence of good and bad bacteria in a human microbiome, shielding overall organismal health. Quercetin and fisetin. Quercetin and fisetin clear away what is known as senescent cells, cells that resist dying. These two strong flavonols serve as antioxidants and are known to reduce inflammation and tissue injury while aging. Vitamin K2. Vitamin K2 is important for bone health and mitochondrial health. People can obtain this vitamin naturally from leafy greens, whole grains, and natural oils. Other longevity factors David Sinclair takes into account. David Sinclair has spent his career studying aging and longevity, but he doesn't just focus on just one factor to improve these aspects of life. He endorses meditation practices as well as using cold therapy, not only for those who suffer from aches and pains but as an everyday practice. In his book, Lifespan, Why We Age and Why We Don't Have to, Dr. David Sinclair talks about ways to slow down the aging process potentially. He mentions things like eating a healthy diet, exercising regularly and getting enough sleep. You can also find him tracking various body metrics such as blood pressure, glucose levels, and other biometrics, like daily steps. Let's take a closer look at some of the longevity factors he espouses and incorporates into his life, including meditation, cold therapy, and other lifestyle choices. Meditation. David Sinclair has become increasingly interested in the potential of meditation to help people live longer, healthier lives. In a 2018 interview, he described meditation as a way to reset the body and a form of stress reduction. He also said that meditation could help people age gracefully by reducing the amount of inflammation in the body. Sinclair is not the only scientist investigating the potential anti-aging benefits of meditation. A growing body of research suggests that meditation can help improve cognitive function, reduce stress levels, and even slow aging. Cold therapy. David Sinclair has found that cold therapy can help to improve circulation, reduce inflammation, and speed up the healing process. Cold therapy is also effective in relieving pain and reducing swelling. Sinclair has conducted several studies on the benefits of cold therapy and found that it is an effective treatment for many conditions. One of the conditions that cold therapy can be effective in treating is arthritis. Arthritis is a condition that causes pain, stiffness, and swelling in the joints. Cold therapy can help to reduce the pain and swelling associated with arthritis. Sinclair has also found that cold therapy can effectively treat other conditions, such as carpal tunnel syndrome, tendinitis, bursitis, and headaches. Lifestyle choices. Dr. Sinclair's book Lifespan talks about the importance of tracking one's health data, including having frequent blood tests, tracking glucose levels, steps, and exercise, and keeping the body cool during the day and while sleeping. He states that understanding what is happening inside your body will help you stay on track with your exercise and diet goals. Sinclair believes having those numbers available is a huge motivational factor in maintaining your health. Dr. Sinclair uses Inside Tracker to measure biomarkers such as LDL, HDL, A1C, CRP, and cholesterol, among others.
If anything in this video resonated with you, be sure to like it, share it with your friends, leave a comment, and as always, don't forget to subscribe